Find a comfortable seat and take a slow, deep breath in. Exhale softly. Bring your attention to your intention, something you want to commit to. It may be a goal, a value, or a way of being. Feel your intention as a seed planted in your mind. You don't need to rush or force it. Just hold it with gentle curiosity and care. Say quietly to yourself, I choose to move forward step by step. I welcome what comes and I stay open to learning. Breathe in patience. Breathe out resistance. Commitment is not about being perfect. It's about being willing to keep going. When you are ready, open your eyes gently, carrying this quiet strength with you.